Okay, everybody, here is the review of the HTC HD2 for T-Mobile. As you can see, purchased at Walmart. This would have been yesterday. And as you can see, there's the date, 3/21. And Walmart's price, $500. And this is the box, obviously. Here. Now bear with me. This video is not the best because this is my first unboxing video. And I'll do my best. So let's see what we got here. Little tape. Okay. And open it up. And again, here. Let's see here. Oh, that is a nice looking phone. It fits nice in your hand, and not much bigger than the Nexus 1 I currently have. And let's see, inside the box we have, trying to do this with one hand here. And start guide, terms, conditions. Oh, look at that. Even comes with a new SIM card, which I don't need, but that is nice. And more manuals. And revision A we have here. Okay. And of course we have all our standard plugs here. So, you know, you've seen these in all the other unboxings, I guess. We have a USB, and of course, our charger. It just slides in like that. And of course we have headphones with some extra earpieces, which I don't need. Here's the floppy rubber thing. It's actually kind of smooth. It may work good for even sliding in and out of your pocket. We will try that shortly. And again, I'll do a little comparison here with the Nexus 1 and the HD2. And you can see it's not much bigger in size, just a tad. As far as thickness goes, I'd say we're about the same. Very similar. Height-wise, you're not looking too much. And width-wise, it's not too bad either. Oh no, though. This is a very... Oh, let's see if we can break it before we even get to turn it on. Sorry. Man, that is a nice screen. I tell you. I mean, mine, compared to the Nexus 1, which I guess I'm going to have to be selling on eBay here shortly, or just keep it around for rooting purposes. But the HTC 2 is by far a much nicer metal back. Beautiful phone. No doubt, the screen is insane. Got the flash. HTC. T-Mobile. And of course your 5 buttons, which have a very nice feel to them. And I can't wait to power this up. I will not bore you guys with the initial power on when I set up my account, because that'll be pretty boring. But I hope you like this initial unboxing of the HTC HD2, and again, sorry if the video quality and the shakiness of the camera is too much. But I will get this set up and do a couple more videos. If you have any requests for photos or a video of something, feel free to leave something in my comments, and hopefully we will have some more posted soon. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you later.